This is the Tamron 35mm f2.8 for Sony mirrorless cameras. Full frame coverage, compact design, lightweight, and designed for creators who don't want to overspend. Let's be very honest here. If you search for 35mm full-frame autofocus lens, most options are expensive. f1.8 lenses are already pricey. f1.4 lenses, very expensive. This lens stands out because it delivers a true 35mm full-frame experience at one of the lowest price in the market. That's why this lens is important. It makes 35mm photography and video accessible. Why 35mm is perfect everyday focal length? 35mm is one of the most versatile focal lengths ever made. Wide enough for vlogging, natural for street photography, perfect for travel, daily life, and storytelling. If you're building your first kit lens, 35mm is always a smarter starting point. Image quality, the sharpness is good, colors are clean and natural, autofocus is quiet and reliable. It is a cinematic f1.4 master? No, but for the price, this lens performs better than expected. Bonus features as 1/2 macro. Here's something most people forget. This lens can do 1/2 macro. That means close-ups without buying a dedicated macro lens. Product shots, food shots, B-roll details. At this price point, that's huge bonus. It's light, it's compact, it's balanced easy on a small camera and gimbals. For vloggers and run-and-gun creators, this lens just makes sense. This lens is perfect if you one of the cheapest 35mm lenses available. You are on budget but still want quality. You shoot both photos and videos. You want lightweight everyday lens. The Tamron 35mm f2.8 proves one thing. You don't need expensive gear to create a good content. It's one of the most affordable 35mm lenses on the market, and it delivers real, usable performance. For budget-conscious creators in 2026, this lens is absolutely worth considering. Don't buy this lens if you need extreme background blur, you shoot mostly in very low light, and you specifically want the f1.4 or f1.8 look. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. I don't chase trends, I use what works. This is Rapi Sam Steel. Mabuhay!